Throw away your glasses. This ingredient will help you increase your vision by 97% naturally. Let's take our eyes for example. They are very important, especially since we get more than 90% of the information from the outside world through them. However, one of the most common problems older people experience is impaired vision and deteriorated eyesight. We know that there are all kinds of lenses, glasses and surgical procedures that can help in this situation, but they're usually quite costly and not everyone can afford them. Moreover, in certain cases they're not even effective, so what else can we do? Luckily, there's a wide array of natural remedies that treat vision impaired by aging. In this article we are going to share with you one of the most effective ones which will help you get rid of your glasses in just a few weeks and restore your eyesight to its previous condition. The main ingredient in this recipe is saffron, a root very few are familiar with. Professor Sylvia Beastie from the Vision Center at the University of Sydney claims that this natural element could prevent and restore eyesight degeneration as it makes the cells taking part of the visual system harder and more resistant in a very short time. Saffron should be used in the form of tea. Saffron tea recipe for better vision. Ingredients: 1 grain saffron, 1 cup of water. Directions: bring the water to a boil, then add saffron. When it cools, add some honey to sweeten it up. Take a few cups throughout the day. Note: saffron does not only improve vision, it also cleanses your blood, stimulates blood flow, reduces the symptoms of arthritis, reduces triglyceride and cholesterol blood levels, and improves cognitive function and memory retention.